The saiga antelope roams open steppes, its strange nose filtering dust. The Chinese alligator survives quietly among the world's rarest reptiles. The golden eagle soars mountains, a symbol of power and precision. The red wolf stands alert, surviving only through intense conservation. The dugong glides seagrass meadows, a gentle ocean grazer. The shoebill stork waits motionless, an ancient hunter of wetlands. The one-horned rhinoceros walks grasslands, a conservation success story. The blue Arctic fox endures freezing coasts, perfectly adapted. The flying lemur glides trees at night, silently avoiding predators. The Tasmanian tiger remains a warning about extinction. The Pallas's cat survives cold steppes, its thick fur hiding strength. The African golden cat moves unseen, one of Africa's rarest predators. The kakapo walks forest floors, a flightless parrot near extinction. The blue whale glides oceans, the largest animal ever known. The Highland nyala stands misty mountains, found nowhere else. The clouded leopard rests trees, a secretive jungle hunter. The tiny mouse deer hides quietly among the world's smallest ungulates. The giant manta ray swims gracefully, peaceful yet vulnerable. The crested ibis returns slowly, saved by careful conservation. The Sumatran serow climbs steep forests, rarely seen by humans. The African penguin struggles to survive, its numbers falling rapidly. The banded palm civet moves silently, rarely seen in rainforests. The banded palm civet moves silently, rarely seen in rainforests. The plains viscacha watches grasslands, a rarely noticed species. The prairie chicken performs ancient dances, struggling to survive. The Sunderslow loris clings trees, endangered by illegal trade. The Sunderslow loris clings trees, endangered by illegal trade. The giant pangolin forages at night, heavily trafficked worldwide. The short-eared dog wanders forests, one of Earth's rarest canids. The Andean flamingo thrives high altitudes, yet remains vulnerable. The Indian star tortoise walks slowly, its shell patterned like stars. The rusty spotted cat hunts quietly, the smallest wild cat alive. The musk deer hides in misty forests, hunted for scent. The blue-crowned laughing thrush sings softly, found nowhere else. The African manatee glides rivers, a gentle giant under threat. The dhole hunts in packs, one of Asia's rare predators. The forest turtle rests streams, critically endangered today. The flying fox hangs at dusk, vital for forest survival. The black soft-shell turtle surfaces quietly, sacred and endangered. The hooded grebe floats Patagonia lakes, incredibly rare. The Philippine eagle watches forests below, powerful yet critically endangered. The Gobi bear survives deserts, one of Earth's rarest bears. The Sri Lankan leopard rests silently, an island predator under threat. The northern white rhinoceros stands remembered, a warning of extinction. The golden langur leaps forests, found only in limited regions. The flat-headed cat hunts wetlands, rarely photographed alive. The Indian skimmer flies low, its beak slicing water. The giant panda eats bamboo, symbol of global conservation. The Ethiopian wolf pup learns survival among rarest canids. The vaquita surfaces briefly, nearing disappearance forever. The Sumatran sun bear climbs forests threatened by deforestation and poaching. The European bison returns forests rescued through careful conservation efforts. The European bison returns forests rescued through careful conservation efforts. The African penguin chick struggles, born into a rapidly changing ocean. The smooth-coated otter swims rivers, social, playful, endangered. The red panda moves branches, losing forest to human expansion. The freshwater pearl mussel filters rivers, ancient and endangered. The Somali ostrich roams savannas, a rare African giant. The leaf monkey watches treetops, forests shrinking fast. The Mekong wagtail lives riversides, threatened by habitat loss. The Javan hawk eagle guards rainforests, a rare symbol of Indonesia. The rollaway monkey watches forests, critically endangered by hunting. The giant sable antelope stands proud, rescued from near extinction. The Baiji dolphin vanished rivers, a tragic lesson of loss. The Philippine mouse deer moves quietly among the smallest hoofed mammals. The eastern black rhinoceros walks savannas, threatened by poaching. The giant freshwater whipray glides rivers, massive and endangered. The giant freshwater whipray glides rivers, massive and endangered. The horned viper hides sands, perfectly adapted to deserts. The giant otter shrew swims streams, elusive and endangered. The Nilgiri tar balances cliffs, surviving India's shrinking mountain grasslands. The sunder clouded leopard stalks treetops, rarely seen by humans. The great hammerhead shark patrols oceans, powerful yet heavily threatened. The Sumatran ground hornbill walks forests, losing habitat rapidly. The Andean bear roams cloud forests, South America's only bear. The New Zealand sea lion rests shores, critically endangered today. The forest monitor lizard moves silently, a rare jungle giant. The Sumatran laughing thrush sings softly, facing imminent extinction. The giant softshell turtle survives barely, one of world's rarest. The huemul deer endures Patagonian winds, rarely seen today. The snowshoe hare turns white, surviving winters through perfect camouflage. The yellow-spotted river turtle basks quietly, threatened by river changes. The giant anteater wanders grasslands, specialized, gentle, and increasingly vulnerable. The northern bald ibis returns slowly, guided by conservation efforts. The Irrawaddy dolphin surfaces rivers, endangered by fishing activities. The tree kangaroo climbs forests, an unusual marsupial survivor. The black-necked crane stands wetlands, a Himalayan conservation icon. The armadillo lizard curls defensively, ancient armor against predators. The Saiga antelope endures icy steppes, fragile populations remain. The red-crested tree rat lives unseen, among rare forest rodents. The takin stands mountain slopes, a strange survivor of Himalayas. The giant flying fox hangs quietly, the world's largest bat. The western swamp tortoise moves slowly, one of Earth's rarest. The crested macaque stares curiously, threatened by habitat loss. The golden marcia swims upstream, a legendary river fish. The Saharan silver ant runs scorching sands, surviving extreme heat. The Siamese crocodile rests rivers, critically endangered today. The helmeted hornbill guards forests, hunted for its casque. The bush dog moves silently, one of South America's rarest. The white-headed langur clings cliffs, critically endangered primate.